how to activate Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to enable the focus mode and set your phone to Do Not Disturb? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. It's really simple. You just need to swipe down from the top right, and then you can see the focus option right on the control menu. You just need to tap on it, and then you can see Do Not Disturb at the very top. This will silence all your notifications. So once it is white in color, that means it is on. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Now if you want to turn it off, you can just swipe down from the top right again, just tap on it again and turn it off. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.